Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are talking about how to resolve Davinci Resolve cache. So let me just open the Davinci Resolve and I will show you the space in my drive. Just look at this in this PC, and here you can see the drive storage is almost full. So now what I'm going to do is just going to the Davinci Resolve and removing the cache file. After then you can see the lot of space storage in my drive. So you can go to playback and then disable delete a render cache file. Here you can see which project acquiring more storage. So all you need to do is just click all and then click delete, but this process is not working properly. So if you want to clear properly, then you can use unused cache. Other than you can directly remove a separate project data. So first of all I will try all, and then I'm refreshing this. So you can see here there is no difference. So I am going back again, playback and delete render cache, manage, and here you can see this project acquiring 89 GB. So I am removing this storage. It will take a little bit time, and as soon this cache files is deleted, then my drive is almost free from unnecessary files. So process is done, and now you can see I am refreshing this and see, now you can see the SSD storage drive is